I just lost $5,000 from this one mistake. My name is Paras, guys. I live in Vancouver, Canada, and I'm from immigrant from India. And from last 5 years, I live here. I did a lot of kind of all jobs like cashier, door knocking, Cisco dishes, Uber, door-to-door stuff, everything, security guard, you name it, I have done it. And for the last 1.5 years, I started building my high ticket affiliate business. And now, 7 months before, I quit my job and I do this full time. I have helped affiliate and coaches to scale their business to $20,000 a month. So, get us back to where I started. I just lost $5,000 in my business. How I made this mistake, I invested in a high ticket program, but I don't get a single result from that. So, and the funny thing was, a lot of other people was getting a big results from that program. People going from $10,000 to $50,000 a month. It's what a performance coaching program. I'm like, okay, these guys are getting so much results, but why I'm not getting the result? And I dig down on it. It all come and I compared all the programs I have invested before. Losing $5,000, big money. But having this knowledge now, it's a big thing because I'm just 25. I'm gonna go better slowly. $5,000 will make, but this learning was really crucial. So, performance coaching program, I spent $5,000 is actually to be $4,800 USD, and not get a single result from that in 6 months. So, I thought like what I'm doing wrong, and I started to dig deep on it. I started doing research, asking a friend why like I'm not getting results and these guys are getting results, and I come down to this one conclusion: belief. I was lacking the belief. The reason I was lacking the belief because I bought the program with my friend's reference. My friend was in that program, and he used to say good things about that. But I didn't know like what was happening in the program. I was like, okay, I've invested in the program. They will give me the information and I will get the results. But I was not sold on this strategy. And I'm like, okay, like this I need to fix. And something I realized, believe. If you don't have the belief in something you are investing in 200%, not even 100%, 200%, like this is something if I jump into will get me results that I want. Definitely, it was a good thing. I invested, I learned some stuff, but not the result I was looking for. The reason I was sold on person that was running the program. I was sold on his values. Like he used to talk about, being healthy, how entrepreneurs can put more, have more energy in their business and make more money. But I was not sold on their strategy. The strategy was totally different from the other programs, other coaches I invested in. And this was something that really, hindered me to get that belief. Because in then having the belief, this is why 99% of people sometime in a program don't get the result. Sometimes it's the program itself, but majority of the program that has proven track record, only reason is this: we are not 100% sold on the strategy. So I have implemented in this my business as well. I make sure everybody who's coming into my coaching, who's jumping into my program, I will make sure that they are sold on the strategy, because I have seen this myself. A lot of people just see the results. Oh, Paras clients are getting a lot of results, but they don't know what the strategy is. For our business, strategy is basically we build a personal brand of yours. We have a really strong Facebook community, and then we help you dial in the sales with Google Docs, no sales call, things like that. Then this is our strategy. If someone is not all sold on the strategy, what they're gonna do? They're not gonna follow the personal brand thing. They're not gonna follow the building the community thing. They're not gonna believe the Google Docs gonna sell. Doesn't make sense? Same thing goes with when you buy or when you sell. This is something I have realized. I have done it. Even now, I was, stopping myself to invest in some stuff that I really wanted to. But again and again, that thing coming, oh, I invested in the program, didn't get the result. When I realized this thing, when I got this breakthrough, I was like, okay, man, you made this mistake, totally fine. But the reason was the belief. After understanding this, I'm working on building the belief from that program, not, fixing anything. What will help fix the belief? Talking to the creator of the program, talking to people who have got the results from the program, learning the whole strategy, what is going on. Then when you sold on the strategy is the key thing. Guys, this is something, a lot of people don't follow, because a lot of people don't show that. And this is my content basically. I show my what is my strategy all open. This is my strategy and this is we're gonna work with. If you're not sold on this, I don't want you in my program. I don't want your money. But a lot of people, just focus on the results. They don't focus on what is a core strategy that I'm resonate with this or not, and they don't get the result. Guys, if you resonate with this, if you have this, experience that you invest in a program, I would love to hear your experience in the comments. How was it? What kind of program you invested in? What kind of result that you got? And is this something that really resonates? That because other people are getting results, but you are not getting results. It's just the belief. And now I make sure with two things now. I make sure when I help my clients, when they are sold on strategy, I make sure when they go and sell, I make sure that they sold people on strategy. Because what's gonna happen if people are not sold on strategy? We can do the best marketing ever, but if we don't sell in this personal brand game, if this coaching game, if you don't sell people on your strategy, it's gonna be really hard to get them results. End of the day, your business is gonna struggle. For me, my name, my values is so important, because from my childhood, my father, my uncles, all used to do business. And even I used to see sometimes when I was a kid, they were getting lost because of people. But I make sure that they make sure that the name never goes down. Paras Davara, the name never goes down. Even I make sure if someone is, don't like the program or something is happening, I refund the money, have a good day, all good. Your name is the only thing you want to take with you after you're gone. No money, no anything, no cars, no anything. So what's gonna help you keep that name alive, keep that trust alive, is selling people on these three and bringing them in your program with the belief. Make sure to sell high quality. If you're a high ticket affiliate, try to get high quality products only. Even if they cost more, sell them. Because if you go in the race of I will sell more and of less cost, what's gonna happen? They will not get the result and your brand gonna struggle. Our main focus as a coach, as a high ticket affiliate, is to get people the result. That's our main focus. If they're not getting the result, it's gonna be a big issue in the long term. We in our intensive mastermind we have 3 core of us: intensive mastermind, assay, and inner circle. And we make sure everybody who jump into an intensive mastermind will get the money started, even if it's a low ticket. They get the money in, then they jump into the high ticket offer, and then they can work with me. So we make sure the quality is really high and they get the result. By hook, we make sure you get the result. That's the main focus. And hope this brings you a lot of clarity, guys. We even just want to let you know, we even run a Facebook group community where we do trainings in detail. We show a strategy, we show our values, we show our personal brand, what I'm all about. And this is something I really go with. Your name is the key. Your name, you be in charge of the name. And your values stay here, and you will see people, a lot of people just follow the money. They don't stay in business more than 1 or 2 years, because they got the money in, they got everything out of it, but they didn't give anything to the market. What's gonna happen? and you can see any company on this planet, not just this affiliate or coaching game. You can see any company on this planet. If you can't get your client results, you're gonna struggle in the long term. You will make money now, that's for sure, but long term you're gonna struggle. Hope this brings a lot of clarity, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. And this is something new, like I thought I should share with you, because this is something I experienced after losing $5,000. This is something I really wanted to share with you all. And make sure, again, sell them on your personality, sell them on your values, sell them on your strategy. If they're not sold on this, if they're not sold on these three, the belief will not come in your client mind. They might buy of different reasons, but they will not get the results. This is the key to get them the result if you have a high quality offer. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.